Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install SCCM Client manually from a desktop. Uninstall Configuration Manager Client from a desktop manually. So what you need to do is go to the C drive and go to Windows. And under Windows, there's a CCM Setup folder. Click on that. So just copy and right click on this window. Click Run. I'm going to paste that in. Type in slash setup. Sorry, it's a CCM setup.exe space / uninstall. Before I do that, let me copy this. Let's go to control panel. Just type in control panel. As you can see, there's configuration manager icons here. So if I run this uninstall, this will remove the configuration manager icon, and also it will remove a bunch of folders from CCM folder here. Let's do that. So it's in the process of uninstalling. You can look at the log files if you want to. The log file should be under CCM setup. Logs, and then there's a CCM setup here. You're probably going to need a tracer to view the log files. So I don't have a tracer installed on this machine. And if you look at the time here, I started at 8:45. It started initiating and removing the objects. And it's in the process of uninstalling. In a few minutes, this icon will disappear. So that's it. That's how you uninstall SCCM Client manually from a desktop. Thank you for watching and have a good day.